This is another rub from Rootswerx. Rootswerx. So it's a combination of two groups, two companies. MPower by Rootswerx, and this one is called Banner. It's a dry rub that was created by me, and name it after my family's name. So now I got some pork chops. I'm gonna make a sandwich using pork chops. Veggies and other items, okay? I have the pan on low, medium, low. So that's why it's just trying to allow it to cook from inside out. Trying to get the heat just right. Okay. If it gets too hot, there's a little technique that you can do to just try to slow it down. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna have it on low. Made with MPower by Rootswerx Dry Rub Banner. Got me some tomatoes, onion, lettuce, cucumber coming up next. Okay. I got my over easies coming up next. My pork chops, onions, and eggs. It's gonna be a decadent sandwich today. I'm just pulling out all the sauce. My over easy. I wait until you can see that portion of it, but on the flip side, this was the bottom side, the side face it up, the uncooked side, so you can tell. So that's what I look for right here. I look for it where it's nice and has that perfect white texture to it and color. That's when I know I can flip my over easy eggs. This one here might have neglected a little bit. Inside might be a little bit chewy, overcooked. But that right there looks perfect. I hit it right. I think the best part of cooking is just allowing your food to cook at a slow pace. And you see that? Look at the fire. It's not too high. I know that there are some brilliant, amazing chefs out there that, will beg to differ, but for me, I just take my time and I just look for it to, just do its own thing. And I try to create the heat in my pan to where it cooks from the inside out, not the outside in. Slow going. I'm just trying to see if I can cook that a little bit longer right there. Look at the onions. It looks like they're ready. And just a little olive oil in the saucepan. I'm about to put a little kuhun oil. Do a combo. And I have to repeat. And make my mustard and mayonnaise sauce. A little butter. And there we go. Prepared right there. You can go ahead and shut that off. And there we go. Okay, I'm going a little overboard. Got some mustard and mayo on here. Top it off with some lettuce. Onions. Egg. Tomato. Can already taste it. And the ingredients smell awesome, by the way. I didn't put any salt on the eggs because I know my chops more than likely had enough salt for both. Here is my secret ingredients. Now you don't have to go with mine. You could do your own. Cheese, whatever you feel like. Mine is jelly and peanut butter. But I want peanut butter today, so I'm just going with jelly. There you have it. Right in front of the banner. Dry Rub by MPower and Rootswerx. Enjoy life. Remember, it's always rough and tough out there. It's never easy. Just take it in strides, and sometimes do little things like this for yourself.